The solar system in the rig is pretty good for our basic necessities, but it's not like I could game 24/7. When I want to use the PS5, do some gaming, we need to get direct sun and the battery needs to be at float. That will give me about 4 to 6 hours, more than I need, and who wants to play video games when it's sunny out? Now that we have power stations, I don't need to wait for the sun to play. Let's see how many hours of play I can get off this Bluetti. It's a 1000 watt AC 70. So the PS5 had 90 to 120 output watts, used 41% in 3 hours. Okay, now let's switch to the Switch and see how it does with that. All right, now we're going to add the TV. This Bluetti I'm using charges up to 80% in 45 minutes. Has a LiFePO4 battery which guarantees 3,000 plus cycles and a powerlifting mode of 2,000 watts. The Switch plus the TV only use 70 to 95 output watts, and it only used 10% in 2 hours. So in 5 hours total, it used about half of the Bluetti, which is pretty good. So that's about 2 days of gaming, at least, depending on how much gaming you do.